Silly pig, huh? Good girl, Pig, you're silly. Okay, ready, Thomas? Whoa, let's get us back into focus here. Whoa. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. Good girl, Pig. You're a very good girl. You two having fun, Thomas? You having fun with Pig? Yeah? Okay, here, I'll let you have the ball, maybe. No, you want me to do it? Okay. Pig, sit. Good girl.